Tired of losing your keys, wallet, or backpack? The Apple AirTag 4-pack is here to end that frustration once and for all. What makes these trackers revolutionary is Apple's precision finding, leveraging Ultra Wideband technology to guide you directly to your lost item with incredible accuracy. Imagine seeing an arrow on your iPhone screen, pointing you straight to your couch cushions or under the car seat. It's like a superpower for finding misplaced belongings. Setting up your AirTag is ridiculously simple. Just one tap with your iPhone instantly pairs it, getting you tracking in seconds without any hassle. Plus, with an IP67 water and dust resistance rating, you don't have to worry about a little rain or an accidental splash ruining your peace of mind. Unlike generic trackers, the AirTag seamlessly integrates into your existing Apple ecosystem, utilizing the vast Find My network to locate items miles away. If you're ready to upgrade your tracking game, find the best deal on the Apple AirTag 4-pack by clicking the Amazon link in the description below. This isn't just a tracker, it's an investment in never wasting time searching for lost items again, making it one of the best electronics purchases you can make in 2025. Don't forget to check out the reviews and see why so many people are calling it the ultimate smart tracker for their everyday essentials. For unparalleled peace of mind and effortless item recovery, the Apple AirTag 4-pack is an absolute must-have in 2025.